Wanted to do a quick unboxing of our new cleaners. So here is what it looks like when they are all filled up. We've got both a deep clean and a multi-purpose cleaner. I ordered a second set because I wanted to try it first to see how I loved it, and it did not disappoint. It comes with, here is the cleaning concentrate, and when you open it up, I really love just the simplicity of it. This is all that it is. So it has 4 different parts within the bottle, and depending on if you're using either a deep clean or the all-purpose is how many parts you're going to use for the concentrates. This is how the all-purpose looks. I will say too that the ease of the spray bottles is something that I have really enjoyed. When you spray it, it doesn't just squirt out in one spot. It dispenses it really well. And even this spray nozzle is really springy. And so that helps with ease of cleaning as well. So you'll do one part. So you'll do it down to here, and then you fill the rest with water. And what's really nice is these are removable. It's in this really pretty frosted glass. So it looks beautiful, like out on a countertop. And this helps too to not scratch countertops and things like that. And then the deep clean bottle, here's just kind of a peek at what that looks like. And so for this one, you're gonna add 2 parts of the cleaning concentrate. And that is how this looks. Again, just that frosted amber glass, this removable silicone bottom, the ease of the sprayer. For the deep clean, you're gonna use 2 parts. So each concentrate does 2 deep cleans or 4 of the multi-purpose. Now the deep clean I like better for floors, bathrooms, something that's like super grimy. I use this in my fridge when I cleaned out my fridge. The all-purpose is more, I just use it for my granite countertops, wiping the table down. You can use it on multiple surfaces. It's really amazing stuff, you guys. So it's available today for HG Insiders. And the way that you become an HG Insider is by getting something on auto ship. And what I really love is these products are really great for auto ship just because you have a really good idea of supplements and house cleaners and things like that, how quickly you run out of them. So this is amazing, you guys. It smells so good. It smells like lemongrass. One other thing that I will say is that the lemongrass is a really good anti-insect repellent. It's a natural anti-insect repellent. So when you spray it, I think in the summertime when we get, fruit flies and ants and things like that, it's going to help combat that. But how pretty are these bottles? How easy to store, no more clunky, like 500 different bottles for different things. This is really like a one-stop shop, and that's another reason why I just love it. It's simple, replaces multiple things, just love.